If you don't have a SwiftUI canvas open, you'll only have snippets, media, and color options in your library. But if you do, you also get access to views and modifiers. If you've used SwiftUI at all, you've probably already spent some time browsing here. But as with snippets, you can make your own. The way Xcode handles these is with the library item structure. Select Editor, create library item in the middle, and Xcode will put a new struct at the bottom of your file. You can put as complex of views as you'd like here, but to demonstrate, let's go with a green circle. Now let's use it for our preview. Hit Shift-Command-L, and in the Views tab, filter for Circle. Select the one at the bottom, hit Enter, and there's your circle. But you can give it a better title. Hit Command-B to build, and go back to the library to see that title. Unfortunately, you can't give it a description, but you can categorize it. Now it's still in a custom section, but it's sorted differently and has a different icon color. If you need more than one view, you can either use multiple library content provider types, or you can just put them in the views array. That works without the square brackets because this property uses Library Content Builder behind the scenes. Let's use it manually on another property, Modifiers, which should autocomplete for you. As you might guess, this is how we're going to add to the Modifiers library. You can force the base to be any type, but let's make it generic, allowing it to be any kind of view. Now let's make a new library item whose snippet will be a version of the incoming view with severely reduced opacity. Let's call that Ghostly and make it an effect. And with that, just like with the view, you'll have a modifier that's accessible in the library. Hit return once to attach it to your preview, and then again to confirm that you want the default value. One last note, even though these library item arrays will compile if you use .init, let's Control-Shift-double-click on two of them to try it, your items won't actually show up. Hopefully this will be fixed soon, but it's not a big deal.